Hello students, welcome to Science Surfers. Today we are going to derive the first law of motion from mathematical expression of the second law of motion. According to second law of motion, F or the force is equal to change in momentum by time. So, if an object of mass m is moving with an initial velocity u, then it will have an initial momentum, that is mu, and on applying force F, the same mass changes its velocity from u to v. Then its momentum changes to mv. So, according to second law, we can write force is equal to the rate of change of momentum. That is final momentum minus initial momentum by time. Okay, so we can write it by cross multiplying. F into T is equal to mv minus mu. Now, if no force is acting on that object, that means F is equal to 0. So, this can be written as 0 into T is equal to mv minus mu, or it will be equal to 0 mv minus mu. Now, we can take this mu to the left hand side and this minus sign will change to plus mu is equal to mv. We can cancel out m and we are left with u is equal to v. That means if no force is acting on the object, or we can say the force is 0, then the object will continue to move with the same velocity. Now, if the object is at rest, अगर object अब rest पे है, okay, that means u is equal to 0, उसमें initial velocity नहीं है. So, by putting this value in equation 2, we get if u is equal to 0, then v will also be 0. That means if f is equal to 0, then object will remain at rest. In this case, the object will remain at rest when no force is acting on the object. And the first law of motion also states the same, that if no external force is acting on the object will remain in a state of rest or uniform velocity. So, this property to remain in a state of rest or uniform motion is known as inertia. Therefore, first law is also known as law of inertia. Thank you.